Welcome! Today I'm showing how to switch on or off screen touches into screen recorder in your Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. First of all, find standard tools of this device, screen recorder, and tap it. And now opening screen recorder bar, so here we got start stop button, open files of screen recorder and settings. So click settings and then you scroll down and find show touch gestures option. Tap it, and now when we start screen recording, we got our screen recorder with screen touches. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.